The time your child is 5, they've already been produced. So when I wrote To Tie It Back, when I wrote my book, and I'm thinking all I'm doing is something so logical. Go back to source, go back to your children, let the parents raise themselves, let the children lead the way. I thought there is nothing revolutionary about it. And when I discovered that people are like, oh my God, this is so revolutionary, this is too hard to understand, this is too difficult to comprehend, the thing that made me stop in my tracks was, look, the fact that my message is revolutionary is a sickness in itself. It shouldn't be revolutionary. I mean, good for me, right? But really, no. Because what it is saying is that no, parents must be in control. These children are to be owned. They are to be produced. They are our projects. We get to do to them anything we want. Now, the fact that I'm saying to you that no, there is something wrong here. Our children already are. They are already complete. They're already whole. Don't put the doing on top of the being before the being can even come out. Don't do that. And you resist me, culture resists me. Now that's a problem. Because what am I saying? Something so simple. We are energy. Our children are energy. Let's keep it that way. So you're watching everybody around you and you're thinking, if I don't do this to my child, then I'm going to be behind the curve. And I will be doing a disservice to my kid. How many of you have felt like that at some point in your life? That I gotta do this, gotta push my kid, gotta make him get ahead of the curve? Of course, because this is the sickness in the culture. And it's by osmosis, by absorption, that you get infected. It's a disease, an infectious disease. The disease is that you have to go to the best school, and you have to do the best, and you must be the best at a sport, and you must look a certain way, and you must belong to a certain peer group, and you must be of a certain religion, and you must marry that same religion and the same race, and then you go to a good Ivy League college, and then and then you go earn a certain salary, and then the list goes on and on and on and on. But eventually you come to the edge of the precipice, and then you ask, when your kids have left, they've gone to college, the husband is still sleeping, and then you look and at one point you come to a point where you ask, who am I? Or now what? Now what? Anyone reach that point at any point in their life yet? Where they ask, what is this about? When is this going to end?